We're going to have a quick look at the stock book now under the vehicles menu. This is how to get the stock value for a period of time, such as the end of year, ready for your end of year accounts. There's a clever trick for finding this in MotorDesk. We start by changing the purchase to date to the end of the period we're looking to find the value of stock for. We're going to use the 31st of March as an example. You can see that this has already removed vehicle 14, and if I clear that, you'll see it comes back. So let's put it back to the 31st. Next, we'll change the invoice from date to that same day. This filters out the vehicles sold before that date, but ignores the vehicles that aren't sold. Once you've set these two dates, have a look at the vehicles remaining. You'll see that some might be missing purchase invoice dates, some might be deleted, some might be drafts, and it's up to you to investigate why this might be the case. MotorDesk can't identify this, as it's up to how you like to keep your records. Once you're happy that the deleted vehicles, the draft vehicles, and the vehicles missing their purchase invoice dates are not relevant, then you can simply set the purchase from date to something in the distant past. So we'll just do the year 1000, and that will remove all of those. So you're just left with the relevant vehicles. If any irrelevant vehicles still remain after this stage, you can remove them by unfiltering them here. You can now scroll down to the bottom and see the figures that you need.